Good morning. So welcome to Hong Kong. I have been here for the past week already, and this is my first time going out to take some street photos. So the past week I've just used my 45mm to take car shots, landscape shots, but I haven't shot street yet. And I'm really longing for a lens with a bit more compression. So today I'll just be using my 70-200 f2.8 from Canon. And this morning I woke up to a bit of rain. So I'm all geared up, wearing my rain jacket, got my lens, let's do it. It's raining so hard and the roads are so slippery. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's also thunderstorming incredibly hard. It keeps getting better. So much to see and to shoot. So I really want someone to walk in front of the CD shop. I just know exactly how I want to grade it. I've given up on my hair, and as you can see it is raining really hard. So I'm currently standing at an intersection with trams around me, people with umbrellas, buses. There is so much to see, but I'm trying to shoot on a bit of a higher aperture, so 2.8 or f4, just to make sure everything's nice and sharp. And I don't mind a higher aperture when it's raining. I love to see the textures in my shots. Hello, it's me, just quickly jumping in here. So I've been getting some questions on how I do it with data. How do I upload my YouTube videos when I'm on my travels? How do I post my stories? All that jazz. Well, let me answer that for you. So since we're now in a completely new part of the world, my original data plan from home, that is just not going to work. And my absolute go-to for traveling is using an eSIM. This allows me to have data pretty much anywhere, which is why I'm very excited to tell you about today's fitting sponsor of the video, which is Holofly. I've been using their unlimited data on this trip alongside a bunch of other trips, and it's been a lifesaver. It allows me to seamlessly upload stories, keep my friends and family up to date of my travels, and speaking from experience, not having internet in a foreign country, if you ask me, that's one of the most stressful things thinks there is, you honestly feel pretty lost without it. And in addition, Holofly has an always-on benefit, which allows you to have 1 GB backup data from the moment you install your eSIM. So since almost all of their 200+ destinations offer unlimited data plans, that's pretty much the default really. You can stress a little less and shoot and share a little more. And maybe the best part, it takes what, maybe 2 minutes to set it up on your phone or using their website. So if you want to stay connected on your next trip, then make sure to head on over to the description box down below. That's where you can check out Holofly, and make sure to use my link to get set up. Okay, let's take some more photos. So I'm about to go on the longest escalator in the world, and apparently it's supposed to have pretty nice views of the streets here in Hong Kong. And just to give you a bit of information, the city is split up in 2 parts, Central and Kowloon, and I'm currently in the Central area. I'm happy there are escalators because I'm already out of breath, but here I am. So yesterday, as you've seen, it was raining so hard. Now today is actually the first time I'm seeing sun on this trip, and it's pretty warm. I don't know why I'm wearing a long sleeve. Since I'm only using my 70-100, I think I'm in the perfect place. You can look so far into these streets. Let's take some photos. I just love like the textures on the floor with the yellow. Also, I'm sorry if this is gonna get a bit annoying in this video, but at least I don't have to carry around my camera all the time. Oh shit, I should stop talking. Wow, look at that, there's a market down here. I love how there are like so many layers in this shot. You can shoot so far into the street, that's a cab. I think it'd be so cool if there's a person walking down the stairs. Might be a bit of a long shot, but let's just wait for it. I'm still going. I think from the bottom all the way to the top, it takes me half an hour, I think. Actually no, maybe 20 minutes. I'm also stopping on the way, so it's definitely worth checking out if you're ever in Hong Kong. Would you look at this street? I love how full it is. It is so narrow. There are 2 trucks in here. There are people walking around. Oh, meanwhile, look at this. That's the shot, that's the shot. Oh my god. Nice. Got it, got it, got it. By the way, I wanted to let you know that all of the photos you're seeing in today's video have been edited using my Lightroom presets. Now these are the presets I use on a daily basis, not only for street photography, but also for portraits and cars. There's a bird dropping nuts on me. And I've made sure that all of the presets I've created these past 4 years have been included into one preset pack alongside a bunch of editing tutorials and some of my raw files for you to play around with. So if you want to give my presets a go, then head on over to the description box. That's where you can download my pack. Okay, let's continue shooting. I guess one downside about taking the escalators is that you also have to walk down. There are no escalators down. It's incredibly steep, so I'm trying not to trip. But now I'm just trying to find a cafe. I'm kind of hungry. I haven't had lunch yet. Okay, so I'm now entering an area where there's a lot of markets, little stalls with antique products, even fruit. So if you ask me, that can only mean one thing: it's the perfect place to take street photos. Look at all these shop fronts. They're selling either meat or fish. So that shopfront owner that you can see in this photo just told me that he had his shop for 37 years. In the same spot, same location, doing the same type of work, which is crazy. It looked pretty good. He had like a little lantern in there and everything. Honestly, I feel like we shot a solid amount and I'm really happy with all these photos. I'm even thinking of making a little photo book just for my coffee table as like a memoir to this trip, because I had a lot of fun. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you in my next one. Okay, bye bye! Doei!